Hi all! In this video I am going to draw a kingfisher bird using acrylic paint. Here I am using Artist Acrylic colors. It's a Camel brand and the canvas size is 9 into 12 inches. Okay, let's start drawing. Now our sketching part is over. Now we can start the coloring. Colors I am using lemon yellow, permanent yellow, white and Prussian blue, cobalt blue, burnt sienna, crimson and yellow ochre. Here I am using brush number 12. First I will color the background with permanent yellow deep. Next we can apply lemon yellow and mix with the permanent yellow. Mix lemon yellow and permanent orange like this. Don't use water for mixing the colors. Just wipe the brush and mix the colors together. Usually for this acrylic paintings and all, we will not apply more water. We are just taking paint directly and applying to the canvas. Now take little crimson lake and mix with the permanent yellow. Now we can apply little burnt sienna over this permanent yellow. To make dark brown effect, take little Prussian blue and burnt sienna and mix it. We'll get dark brown. Apply little more burnt sienna. To mix both the colors, we can just wash the brush and wipe it and mix it. Apply little lemon yellow. Show the same effect to the below portion also. Okay, now we can start coloring the bird. I'm using brush number 4. First we can color the beaks. For that I mix Prussian blue with the little burnt sienna. Apply little cobalt blue over the Prussian blue. Now apply white over the blue to show the highlight effect. Now for the down part, mix Prussian blue with little black. We'll get this dark effect. On the middle part we can apply little white and mix it. On the top portion of the beak we can apply little permanent yellow. To make it darker, apply little burnt sienna over the yellow. Likewise here also apply permanent yellow. Apply burnt sienna over the permanent yellow to get more dark effect. Same effect we can show here also. Apply little white over the yellow. For getting dark brown effect, mix burnt sienna with little Prussian blue. Now we can take cobalt blue. Also take little Prussian blue and mix with the cobalt blue. In between we can add little white also. Take little Verdian green. This is Verdian green. Mix the Verdian green with the blue, Prussian blue, and apply here. To show the feather effect, apply little white with the blue. Here also show the feather effect with white lines. Here we can show the light blue effect. Mix little blue with the white. Here we can apply Viridian green and with the Prussian blue. Apply little white also. Over the white part we have to apply little grayish blue. For that we have to mix little Prussian blue and brown. Mix it little with white. Same method here also. Now apply cobalt blue and Prussian blue and little white. To show the further detail effect, mix Prussian blue with little black. Now we can show the eyes area. First apply little white and apply over that grey color. Take white and apply to the eyes part. Inside the eyes part, apply little Prussian blue and little black. Outline put with the black color. Now we can start coloring the branch part. First apply yellow ochre. Apply little white also along with the yellow ochre. Now mix the burnt sienna. To get dark brown effect, apply Prussian blue with burnt sienna. In between apply a little white also. Now take white and just we can show some detail effect. For the legs portion, apply white with the crimson leg. Down apply little black. This is the final image of the picture. Hope you all like my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends and family members. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.